cranky and nervous, singing act naturally. Ringo. They're gonna put me in the movie. They're gonna make a big star out of me. We'll make a film about a man that's sad and lonely. And all I gotta do is act naturally.
Oh, hi folks. Sorry about that. I was listening to some old Beatles songs and I thought this one was very apropos because 1 year ago I did not think that I would be making a movie of myself in order to make a presentation to you. I grew up in the era of the Beatles, which was also a time of the Vietnam War, war protests, and civil rights. All of these events drew my attention to American politics and government. I have been teaching here at Evergreen College for many years, and before that I taught at Hartnell College. But I actually came to teaching late in life. I've also been instrumental in starting several businesses, one of which I still own and operate after 40 years. I actually grew up here in San Jose, went to Overfelt High School, graduating from Buchser High School when my family moved there when I was a sophomore in high school. I attended West Valley College, got my bachelor's degree in political science from Humboldt State, and many, many years later, I got a master's degree in history when I was teaching at Hartnell College in Salinas. So I bring a lifetime of interest in history and politics to the classroom and hope you can benefit from a little bit from my experience. I look forward to meeting all of you soon and to help you learn something about the Constitution and about the nuts and bolts of American politics. We will see you soon on Canvas, and I look forward to meeting each one of you. Bye.